green tea, coffee, ice cream, waffle, brownie, yogurt, pancake, pudding, popcorn, egg tart, pie, milkshake, lemonade, milk, tea, soy milk, donut, punch, orange juice, hot chocolate, jelly, cake, cotton candy. There's one more. Bubble tea. Cookie. Alright, are you ready for one more round, Adam? Okay, again. Green tea. Coffee. Ice cream. Waffle. Brownie. Look, reading it. Yogurt. Pancake. Pudding. Popcorn. Egg tart. Pie. Milkshake. Yes. You want faster? Lemonade.
It's faster.
Milk. Tea. Soy milk. Donut. Punch. Orange juice. Hot chocolate. Yes. Jelly. Cake. Cotton candy. Yes. Bubble tea and cookie. Are you ready? Adam, where is the cookie? Oh, this one is the cookie. Very good. Oops, do not eat. Okay. Where is the coffee? This one also. Correct. That is coffee. Where is... Oh, sorry. Where is the ice cream? This one is the ice cream.
Good job.
Why you're so fast?
Well done.
That is ice cream. Where is the cake? Adam, where's the cake? Okay. Toot, toot, toot. Where is the cake? That one. Cake. Very good. Okay, next one. Where is the brownie? This one is the brownie. Good one. Where is the yogurt? Yogurt. Very good. Where is the hot chocolate? Huh?
Si Adam.
Hot chocolate. Very good. Oops. Adam, where is the popcorn? Popcorn. Okay, go. Alright, go. This is popcorn. Yes. Where is the pie? This one is the pie. Oh, No. Oy, oy, oy. That's pie. Adam, where is the orange juice? Oh, this one. Okay, very good. It's correct again.
Well done.
Where is the milk? Adam, where's the milk? Oh, this one. This is the milk. Good boy. Where is the donut? Donut. Donut. This is donut. Very good. It's donut. Adam, where is the pie? Oh, this one. Balik naman ni Mami. This is the pie again. Adam, where is the pie? This one. This is the pie lagi. Very, very good. Very, very good. Jump, jump, jump. High five. High five. What? Grabbing a high five. Jump more. Jump more. Jump more. Hala, sige, jump more. Hala, sige, good.